Alright, what's up guys? It's Zach. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new sneaker unboxing video, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by tearing this thing up. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, so we got this from Finish Line. It was pretty crazy. Actually, this is a small box. Look at that. Pretty small Jordan box for these to come in, actually, to tell you the truth. So this is a size 10. You guys could see that there. There you go. So yeah, size 10. The box is pretty small in comparison. I'll show you guys one of my other Retro 5s so you guys can see this. But alright, so here we go. We got the box right here. Alright, let's see what we got going on in there. Alright, off to the start. Traditional Retro 5 trash bag paper. There they are. That's one. Let's get number 2 out. So everyone sees we did get some spare laces in the bag. Some Volt green, lime green, whatever the colorway they're doing. A little sticker in the box there. I don't know what that is. Alright, so we got the Bel Air 5s here, or the alternate Bel Air, ghost green, whatever you want to call these. Yeah, pretty nice shoe. I mean, just to look at overall, I mean, it's pretty sharp. Some things that maybe people don't know about these is the color of the upper on this. I mean, to me, like, it still looks like it's an off gray, but it's not. It actually is white. I mean, I could show you in comparison to some other Retro 5s. Like, here's the grapes here. You look at, like, the leather on it. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up good or not. It's kind of hard to show. Alright, so there you go. As you can see, like they're, I mean, they look almost dead spot on in the camera, like, depending on the way the light hits them. The material is definitely different. This is almost a bit tumbled, but it's not. It's definitely a softer green leather. It feels more like a legitimate leather, and this is not. This is like a cardboard feeling leather that I was terrified to crease, and I had to wear it like, you know, with the shoe decreaser in it and all that, and it's just different. But I mean, the material and the quality on these look great. The backs of these are like very chunky, as you saw in comparison to the grape when it was sitting right next to it. They're just fatter. The whole overall shape of the 5 itself just looks more compressed. It looks different than the stuff from like 2013 when the year of the 5s was actually there. As for that, I'm going to have a comparison and a full, actually detailed review of these. This is just a basic unboxing video of opening these up. And I'll do like a full in-depth review of these. And I'm actually going to compare them to the original Bel Air 5s too. That way you'll be able to actually see what the differences are of these. So it is a white, but it does look like it's a little offset. Maybe by like a tiny bit of a tone. It's a little darker shade of white. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, and it's got the cool interiors. I mean, very similar to what the Bel Air 5 was like. Pretty cool shoe. I like it a lot better in person than I thought. I actually, when I got these, I didn't think I was going to like them too much. And yeah, I actually do like them. They weren't the easiest thing in the world to get, but at the same time they were. Like, Sneakers app sold out instantaneously. Foot Locker crashed, couldn't even get through on the site. Nobody was getting through with these on like Sneakers, Foot Locker, stuff like that. Finish Line, JD Sports, they were the only ones that actually had these shoes in stock. Their sites were broke most of the time, but every once in a while you'd get through, and the checkout was a breeze. I took my time, nothing was laggy, everything went through, and I wound up getting 2 pair of these actually. This is the size 10. I also have another 9.5 as well. So pretty awesome. I was actually able to get these. They're not really going for much money, so value-wise, it's really not super valuable, but still pretty cool shoe. Guess I'm pretty happy to have it, I guess, because I never got my hands on the actual Bel Airs. But Anyway, yeah, guys, just stay tuned, stay subscribed, like, comment. We will have another video for you guys up in the future. Next couple days, I'll have posted a full detailed review and comparison between that and some of the other Retro 5s, including the original Bel Air 5s, which I'm going to get my hands on. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys later.